All right, the card magic, otherwise known as card math. All right, I have 21 cards here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of one card and we're gonna put a joker from another deck to make it obvious. Right? I'm gonna put it in, I'm actually gonna put it upside down so it'll be very easy for us to find. All right, so here we go. So assume we mixed it. The person picked their card. It's that joker, that blue card right there, so it's very obvious. I put out the cards. The person now has to pick what column they're gonna pick. That column, of course, right? Now, when they tell us it's this column, this stack of cards, we know that each stack has 7 cards in it. There's 21 cards. 7, 7, and 7. So if I put this in the middle, I know that these on top are cards 1 through 7, and the stack they picked are numbers 8 to 14. Right? So we know the card right now, I don't know what card it is, but I know it's numbers 8 to 14. I'm going to put this blue, and this is going to show where cards 8 to 14 are. So now we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Instead of putting right here, I'm going to put it right here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So now they gotta pick which column. We're gonna say this column right here. So we have these. Let's get these out of the way. There's the one column they said it's not. They said it's not in this column. Get these cards. And they said it's this column. So we have our 1 through 7, and then the 15 through 21. So in our 8 to 14, they just narrowed it down to these 2 cards, which are cards number, let's see, is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we know it is now cards number 11 or 12. So if we put all these like this, so I know it's card number 11 or 12 if I put that in the middle. So it's card number 11 or 12. And now we do it the third time. We need to narrow it down. We got it down to 2 cards. Before you get there, we already did the math, so we got it down to 2. So it's number 11 or 12. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's either 11 or 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's get the rest of these cards out. Right? We ask them which column. They're going to say it's not in this column. Right? We know it's not in that 7. It's not in this column. We know it's not in this 7. And they're going to tell us it's in this column. Really, what they're saying is it's that card. Because when we put this on top of here, well, let's look at that again. This is going to be cards number 8, 9, 10. Now we know it's card number 11. Put that there. It's card number 11. So when I put it here, I know it's the 11th card. Let's check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next card. Bingo! Card number 11. So that's how we mathematically moved the card. We narrowed down 8 to 14, narrowed it down from there to 2 cards, 11 or 12, and then narrowed it down to the 1 card. Let's keep that card out, put the deck back together. Today is April 22nd. It is Earth Day, and every Earth Day, I love learning all sorts of new facts, like this one. Today I learned that there are 1 million plastic water bottles purchased every minute. That's on planet Earth. It's a worldwide stat. Every minute, we are purchasing 1 million of these water bottles, and you always see lots of things. One of the common ones I saw was how many water bottles go around the Earth, how long it takes. And I wondered, what about how many water bottles, if we were to stack them, would get us all the way to the moon? How long would that take? That's going to be the question. So, what we need to know, how big a water bottle is, and you're going to see they're almost exactly 8 inches tall. So a water bottle is 8 inches. So we need to know that. 8 inches is how long or how tall one water bottle is. Now we need to get to the moon. Well, the average distance to the moon is 239,000 miles. Now, I converted that for you because we don't care about that. We want to know how many inches it is to the moon. That'll make this problem so much easier because our water bottle is 8 inches tall. Well, it is 15,157,486,080 inches to the moon. And every minute, we get 1,000,000 of these. And each one is 8 inches tall. So every minute, we get 8 million inches closer to the moon. How many minutes, how many hours, how many days, how many weeks, how many years? Oh, I'm hoping it takes decades and centuries to get enough water bottles to get us to the moon. Can you figure out how long will it take to get us to be able to stack from the number of water bottles that are bought every minute? How long will it take till we us humans buy enough water bottles to stack them all the way to the moon? We're going to ski out.